Good day everyone, this is your friend Jake. In this tutorial video, I will discuss about the requirements of YouTube in order for your videos to be monetized or monetization in YouTube. Before we start, I would like to say thank you very much to all my subscribers in my channel. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. So this morning I have received an email from YouTube. There's no reply, telling me that my channel Jake Pomperada has passed 1,000 subscribers in 4,000 public watch hours in the last 12 months. Requirements for YouTube partner program. What do we mean? For become a partner of YouTube and then you can monetize your videos, you need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours. I know 1,000 subscribers is a very challenging, and then having a 4,000 public watch hours is also much challenging. Now the tip that I can share with you guys is that you can play your videos, loop or create a playlist, and then you play your videos using your laptop or phone, and then you open several tabs in your browser. You just play it for the whole day. It will count as watch hours. And then for your subscribers, if you have some family and friends, you can share your videos with them using Facebook, requesting them to subscribe to your channel. I think that is the, and then you can campaign to your neighbors, acquaintance that to support your channel. I think that is the tips that I can give to you in order for you to reach the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours. That enables you to become a YouTube partner program, and then you can monetize your videos. Another thing, even though you reach 1,000 subscribers in 4,000 public watch hours, YouTube will review your content of your video. If your videos are following the community guideline, what it means that your video does not violate any copyright or any violations of the community guideline. It is also the other reason that you have to comply, or else you will not be eligible now to become a YouTube partner program. That's all I can share with you guys about the how YouTube partner program, or how to monetize your videos in YouTube. I hope that I was able to share with you these valuable tips that helps me also. It takes me a long while in order to reach this milestone in my channel. I'm just a small YouTuber here in the Philippines. Thank you so much for listening and watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.